Good morning, dear kids. Welcome to 3rd Standard Science online class. Students, now look at this picture. What is given in the picture? In this picture, the water overflows from the bucket, isn't it? Next, look at this picture. The water leaks out from the tap, isn't it? Okay. Now tell me, is this correct? These two activities are correct. No, we should not waste the water, isn't it? Because only 3% of water, fresh water, means the drinking water is available on the earth. So water is very, very precious, very important one in our life. So never waste the water in our daily life. Okay, students, today let's discuss the topic, why should we save the water? Students, every drop of water is very precious. It means it has a high value. So, never waste the water unnecessarily. Only 3% of water in the entire earth is fresh water. Fresh water means the water is used for drinking purpose. So, we have only 3% fresh water. So, the water is very precious. Because among 100%, only 3% is the fresh water. So, we should never waste the water. So, let's learn about why should we save water. Because only 3% of water is fresh water on the earth. So, we should save water in our day-to-day life. Students, some methods to prevent the wastage of water. Students, we should follow some methods to prevent, means control the wastage of water. So the first one is never allow the water to overflow from the buckets. Now look at this picture. Here in this picture, the water overflows from the bucket, isn't it? So don't allow the water overflow from the buckets. Once the bucket is filled fully, we should close the tap. Students, the next one is wash fruits and vegetables in the bowl of water and not to enter the running tap water. So look at this picture. Here in the picture, the fruits and vegetables wash in the bowl of water, not in the running water. Okay? Because to save the water. Next, the third one is always close the taps while brushing the teeth. Students, look at this picture. While brushing the teeth, we should close the tap because to avoid the wastage of water. Then after brushing only, you should open the tap and clean your teeth in the water. Okay. Students, the next one is use the leftover water, means the balanced water after using, that is called as leftover water. In your water bottle, use it to water a potted plant. Potted plants means the plants kept in a small pot. So we use it for these plants. So use the leftover, means the balanced water in your water bottle to water the potted plants. Next, turn off the tap after each use. So each usage after, we should close the tap properly. So we should turn off the tap after each use. Otherwise, the leakage in the tap will make the water waste. Students, the last one is use a sprinkler. Sprinkler method, it means spraying method. Instead of pouring the water to the plants, we spray the water to the gardening plants. Students, now look at this picture. This is a sprinkler method. So this method is used to spray the water to the plants in the garden. This method is used to avoid the wastage of water. So students, these are the methods are used to prevent the wastage of water in our day-to-day life, because the water is very precious. It has a very great value. So we should save the water in our daily life. Thank you.